Hey y'all.
What's
Hi.
going on?
So you haven't seen us in a while. That's because I lost the SD cards that I was recording on. So yeah, there's that. But anyways, we are at a trail in our area. Gonna go for a walk. I'm very tired, so um, hopefully I have the energy to make it through. And it looks like it's gonna rain, so hopefully we don't get rained on. But yeah, we'll see you on the trail. Oh, now he's checking out his music.
What's going on, everyone?
So,
Hmm?
how's your fitness journey been going so far?
It ain't. It ain't been going at all like I expected. And mainly because that week and a half where I was sick and Queso was sick, so it ain't been going as expected because I haven't been able to get to the gym like I wanted to.
Mm. We came last week. Did I say that already?
Mm-mm.
Oh yeah. Well, we came. We walked last week. Um, and then we went to the gym afterwards. So you would have seen that footage if I wouldn't have lost the memory card. Mm. Okay. Well, I was.
Hopefully, if it doesn't rain today, it's going to be a longer walk. Because remember the last time we came out here, we had to cut it short.
Oh yeah, it was getting dark.
It was
It was
getting
deers
dark.
crossing the road. It was a mess. It was bats flying around. It was a whole lot going on. But I don't know if I even want to go that far because it looks like it's gonna rain for real.
We're gonna be fine. We're gonna be fine.
Sun is trying to come out. So, last time I did ask you a question um, about if you felt like I was going to be successful on this journey.
Yeah, I think you will be.
I feel like
You haven't gave up or stopped yet, so I mean, and you've already gone over your 21 days and you're still working out. So
I feel like you're going to be successful too. Because you're trying to get out videos for YouTube. And you're going to be like motivated, or I don't want to say push to do
they're
content,
holding
but
her accountable.
yeah.
Yeah.
The videos have been holding you accountable.
Yeah, they really have. Yep. I think I'm just going to be successful because I'm just tired of starting over. And I don't want to approach my 50s out of shape and still struggling with the same weight loss up and down. It's been what, like 2 decades that I've been dealing with weight issues. Because I really, primarily, I've been skinny all my life. Except I went away to college and I got buck wild. Like I was eating pizza for dinner, ice cream for breakfast, fried chicken. We had a Hardee's. we had too much good food options. So I think the first year I gained like 40 pounds, but I had been skinny previously. So, I mean, the 40 pounds didn't really look bad, but it just kind of kept spiraling. And then 30s hit, and pregnancy hit. And even though I only gained 10 pounds in my pregnancy, I was already so overweight. And, you know, the older you get, the harder it is to lose. So that's just what I'm dealing with now. I think the sun's coming out. But yeah, so I'm just ready to lock in and be fit in my 50s. Yeah, so we're almost hitting the 1 mile mark. So we'll get down the road a little bit further. So there was a poem I read before. Two roads, two roads in a path divulged, and I chose the one less traveled by, and that has made all the difference. Something like that. So which path are we gonna take? Did we ever see what's on down this path? The one less traveled? Okay, we'll go the way we know. Who would have thought to carve all of this out from woods and make a walking path? It's crazy.
I know.
Yeah, so I'm getting this, I'm starting to sweat a little.
Me too.
Even though it's
I started
cloudy,
sweating.
overcast, It's still, well, the weather's nice. It's not too hot, so that's good. So it's just me and Queso back here
Mm-hmm.
because Mike is all the
He's
way
already left
up
us.
there. Thankfully, we don't have to drop breadcrumbs to find our way out. But yeah, I've been getting tripped up on tree branches sticking out of the ground. But it's very pretty,
It's very beautiful.
very dangerous
Mm-hmm.
if you're not paying attention. But it's so crazy how they just carved this whole walking path in the woods. Watch out for that stump.
Mm-hmm.
And here I thought I did not like I was not a nature girly. But it's cool. All right, so we're back to the bridge. Headed back to the trail. All right. So last time I came out here, you didn't see the footage, but when Queso was little, I carried him on my back. So we recreated that. And now Mike and I are going to have a contest to see who can carry him the furthest distance.
Are you ready to? Let me see.
He's
Trying to get my get ready to get my mind right for this because that's a long way back to the car.
I didn't say the whole way. I just said see who can carry him the furthest. Yeah, I couldn't believe I actually carried him because he probably weighs at least a good 200 pounds. But we're gonna let Mike rest, and then the competition is on.
I'm nervous.
Why? You the one getting carried.
I don't know. We're gonna see though.
We're gonna see.
Am I heavy?
Yeah, you heavy.
That's it.
Yep.
Oh, so that was 30, about 30 seconds.
That wasn't far at all.
Well, yeah, we might as well start from this bench. 30 seconds.
30 seconds.
Let's see.
Of course, she gonna try to break it just because she got to. She gonna try to break it just to beat me.
All right. You want me to time it?
Yeah.
Ready?
Here, I'll hold the phone and do it. You ready?
Yep.
Am I too heavy?
You are heavy.
Oh, he's getting real heavy, isn't he? Yeah.
Come on, you can do it. Oh, 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 oh. It's a workout, ain't it?
It
Isn't
is.
it? Take your time. You do that.
You just sliding down.
Oh, 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 okay, okay, okay. Be careful now.
Where?
Ah,
A minute. A minute. 24.
good job, good job.
Whew. I could have carried you further, but you kept sliding down. Whew.
Probably try to stay a little long.
All right, y'all. So we are headed to the car.
Finally made it.
It was a nice little walk. Oh, I'm so thirsty now, though. I am ready for my protein. 20 grams of protein. Thank you, sir. Whew. Oh boy. Ho 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 ho. Whew. All right, I'm about to show y'all my protein that I like. This right here, Oath. My favorite is the lemonade, but this is a new flavor that came out, and the blue raspberry is good too. I haven't had the kiwi strawberry yet. They have a Brazilian limeade. It's only available on the website, which I might place an order. But yeah, I put some ice in here, so it's like a whole lot more water. Takes a little bit to shake up, but let's see. Whew. Let's see. All right. We are gonna head home and I'm gonna get to take a nap. Get ready for work tonight. Thanks for hanging with us. We'll see y'all later.